Welcome to Hindu Editorial Dictation. Women empowerment. Ready? Start. When U.S. Senator Kamala Harris was picked to be the running mate of presumptive Democratic nominee for the presidency, Joe Biden, she became the first black and Indian American woman on a major party presidential ticket in US history. Mrs. Harris was born in 1965 to Samela Gopalan, a cancer researcher from Chennai, and Donald Harris, an economics professor from Jamaica. Full stop. Students at the University of California at Berkeley, a campus known for its activism. Mrs. Gopalan and Mrs. Harris were involved in the civil rights movement. That is the world Mrs. Harris entered. Full stop. She has recalled being taken in a param to civil rights marches. Her parents divorced when she was a child, and Mrs. Harris and her younger sister Maya were primarily raised by their mother, visiting their father on weekends and during the summer holidays. The Harris children grew up around their mother's friends, many of whom were civil rights activists and intellectuals. Mrs. Harris has talked about being deeply influenced by the maternal grandfather P.V. Gopalan, a civil servant, and grandmother Rajam Gopalan. Mrs. Harris said her grandfather would take her on his walks along the beach in India, and she would hear him and his friends talk about democracy. She has also spoken of being inspired by her grandmother's involvement in women's rights. Shyamala Gopalan raised her children with a sense of pride in her South Asian roots and a strong awareness of and appreciation for Indian culture. Mrs. Harris writes in her book, The Truths We Hold. Her mother knew that American society would see the Harris children as black girls and was determined to make sure they would grow up to be confident, proud black women. Mrs. Harris attended the historically black Wowed University, where she majored in economics and political science. After getting a law degree from U.S. Hastings, Mrs. Harris began working as a prosecutor in Oakland. She has described wanting to change the system from inside and had to defend her employment choice with friends and family as one would a thesis. Controversial record. In 2004, Mrs. Harris became San Francisco District's attorney, the first black woman to hold the position. In 2011, she became the first female Attorney General of California. Mrs. Harris had indicated that she wanted to be a progressive prosecutor, and some of her actions in her early years as a prosecutor are in line with that description. Full stop.